Imagine that you have a dear friend who feels exactly as you do and is going through exactly the same situation. What would you say to your friend? What would you do for your friend? How would you take care of your friend? And once you've answered that question, have the courage to do that for yourself. When things go wrong, we have a fight, flight, or freeze response. And if there is no external danger, then fight is turned against ourselves, and that becomes self-criticism. Flight turns into a kind of numbing ourselves or abandoning ourselves or hiding from others. And freeze becomes getting stuck in our heads, ruminating. And self-compassion is an antidote because the three components of self-compassion are the opposite. So instead of self-criticism, we have self-kindness. Instead of isolation, we have a sense of common humanity. And instead of self-absorption or preoccupation, we have mindfulness. So mindfulness and self-compassion are very closely related. Mindfulness regulates emotion by how we regulate our attention. Compassion and self-compassion regulate emotions through care and connection. Mindfulness asks the question, what am I experiencing? And compassion asks the question, what do I need? Together, these are a very powerful combination for transforming suffering. So what I hope to bring to the conference is a fuller understanding of self-compassion, how self-compassion is related to mindfulness, and also how people can integrate easily self-compassion into their mindfulness practice, and if they're teachers of mindfulness, how to integrate self-compassion into their mindfulness teaching.